You dress up to get love, and guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world. You wake up and make up and play dumb, pretending that I need a boy who's gonna bring me a good time.
Hi, hello! My name is Belinda from the Philippines. My YouTube channel, Belinda Philippines Adventure. Because I changed my YouTube channel, the name my YouTube channels I changed, guys, because not anymore relationship my ex-boyfriend. So I changed. How are you guys? So for today's video, guys, I just want talking about the how to handle the relationship. So it's number one, guys, is you accept the what is your attitudes your girlfriend, so you just accept that, like a jealousy or tampo. But actually the jealousy, it is a normal culture here in the Philippines, and number two is tampo is worse, right? So if you know how to handle the relationship 100%, you successful your relationship. But if you are not to handle your relationship because you don't like to handle the stress, or yeah, especially like your age is like 35 to 45 years old, or 50 going 60, 70, like that, you can't handle the relationship like that. Yeah, the the Filipina is it doesn't matter about that the how old, like 45 or young, but they have sometimes that the attitudes like the Filipina is she like lambings. Yes, and she like they have something what you call that, for example, it's you're not ever try the relationship ever since in my life, for example, like that. So she like something unexpected, or something happen for every month, or something mansari. Yeah, it's mansari like that. It's first mansari, second mansari, third mansari. Yeah, but in your culture about that, it's you don't have any something like that. So here in the Philippines is when you have the girlfriend and boyfriend, it's expectation, it's celebrating for mansari, right? Mansari, anniversary, or something like that. So always like that. And then number two, it's you accept the culture. Yeah, it is number two is you know what is the culture here in the Philippines. Yes, the culture here in the Philippines, it is different way. For example, you are a first time to being here in the Philippines, and the Filipino is a very friendly, very, is smiling with you. Also you respond, you're smiling, and being polite. But it's a being polite, they have the boundaries, because it's like you don't expectation is he loves you also, or you have something you cross with you back, something like that. Because especially like you are first time, and then and then you just walking in the street, and then the Filipino is usually it's to respond like it's just something like respond to you. But anyway, it is a normal that the Filipina here, it's something to respond. You don't assume like the Filipina is she like also, right? Even that they have the girlfriend already, you don't like to something temptation yourself, right? You just put in the boundaries. If you have the girlfriend already, when you are first time to here in the Philippines, you just like you are really to respectful your girlfriend. And yeah, and number three is like you know, it's like normal is you have something you don't like because you are the first timer, you don't like the food, and you have something, you shocking your stomach. Yeah, you just very careful about that. You don't like to eating directly or something like that. You just asking your girlfriend. So you just follow your girlfriend, especially you are the first timer to visit her in the Philippines. So supposed to be you listening your girlfriend, because you know not all like a foreigners is a bit to listen to her the girlfriend, because very high the what you call that, very high the pride. Yeah, it's like, you know, you just, you know, you always follow your something girlfriend, because 100% if you are follow your girlfriend, 100% both of us is 100% on the spot. But if they have something you are not chemistry, you just something you are not comfortable, right? So that's the topic that I share tonight. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share my videos latest, and you can leave the message there, at least 10 characteristic words. Bye bye. So for today and Sunday, so we're going to church with Jane. Here. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday guys. Happy Sunday. A lot of people here guys, because it's Sunday. It's a lot of people here. It's beautiful weather now. It's 2 p.m. Masyadong gabi. Yeah, so it's every night. It's beautiful here. Nighttime. It's nighttime here. It's beautiful. can see, guys. But every night, it's nighttime. It's very beautiful because it's lightening in around. Look, Christmas tree here in Dumaguete. It's beautiful. I can see clear now. Hi, Jean.
Hello.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel, Jean.
John and Jen. Don't forget, guys. Singalan diri Quezon Park. Park dire.
Park at Park Plaza. Christmas tree, guys. It's a big Christmas tree here in Dumaguete. They have the stage there. Ang stage ba? Yes, it's the stage. Hello guys, happy Sunday. We are here now at the park, Dumaguete, very close the church. Yes, they have the Christmas tree here. Yeah, it's just getting a fresh air here, talking my friend Jean.
Hi, happy Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, John and Jen.
So very beautiful here, guys. It's a little bit windy. It's December time. Christmas tree, guys. Kantahi dong.
come alive. Underneath the stars, our spirits rise. Feel the rhythm in the air, it's time to ignite. Tonight's the moment, let's chase the delight. The music's pulsing, hearts beating insane. Every worry fades away as we begin to think. This is our time to dance in the moonlight. Oh, we're gonna make it a happy night. Happy night. Let's make memories tonight. With laughter and joy, let's take flight. In each other's arms, everything feels right. Oh, we're gonna make it a happy night. No need for worries, just let go. In this moment, time moves slow. Every laugh, every smile feels so bright. In the embrace of happiness we ignite. The music's pulsing, hearts beating insane. Every worry fades away as we begin to think. This is our time to dance in the moonlight. Oh, we're gonna make it a happy night. Happy night. Let's make memories tonight. With laughter and joy, let's take flight. In each other's arms, everything feels right. Oh, we're gonna make it a happy night. The music's pulsing, hearts beating insane. Every worry fades away as we begin to think. This is our time to.
Yeah, it's nighttime here. Look at the background, guys. They have the lightning. Hi, Jean.